Hey, what's up, friends? Welcome back to my channel. This is Neel. So, actually, I am in my room right now, as you can see. As you know, guys, I used to do the traveling video most of the time, but yes, right now I'm going to do a special video which is not actually related of traveling, but yes, the product which I'm going to show you in this video, that is absolutely used in traveling. You can use is a wireless mic, and I have purchased from the company called DJI. So I got the product couple of days back, which is already arrived at my home, but due to my office and other stuff, I was very busy, so I did not get a single time to make the video. So today I'm just thinking to finish it. I am going to open the product, so please stay tuned and I'll catch you soon. So my friends, this is the DJI MIC, and you can use it while you are traveling. So this is basically the wireless mic from DJI company, and I got 1 year of warranty with bill. Okay, so let me tell you, my friend, I have purchased it from Amazon, which is the authorized website of DJI. And of course, let me tell you the price of this. The price you can see over here, which is 44,999, so that means almost 45,000. So now I'm gonna open the packet which I've got from DJI, and of course I'll be showing you the functionalities and the benefits of using DJI MIC. Okay, so stay tuned, my friend. So I got this scissor to open this up. The packaging and building quality is very nice, because I have used DJI product previously. I have my drone of DJI, so they have very nice finishing, and see, the packaging is absolutely nice. So also got so many sticker of DJI. I don't know what is the use of these stickers. Where should I stick? Yeah, so this is the manual, safety guidelines and all. Okay. So this is very important, this is very useful pouch bag, right? So now the most important thing is this one. Wow, great. Okay, so my friends, let me give you some overview of this. You have two receiver and you have one transmitter, so you can put the transmitter in your phone or in your DSLR, and you have to connect the transmitter with the receiver. So as you can see, when I have to open this lid, this is the light which is automatically blinking. You can put it in your t-shirts. Okay, so I'll be showing you after this demonstration. I'll show you how you can use it by putting in your shirts or t-shirts. Okay, and yeah, so this is very good thing. This is a magnet. Okay, very powerful magnet. See, yeah, So this is a magnet also. So if you want to hide your transmitter from the viewers, you can hide it by using this small magnet. I have just gone through some videos just to understand the functionality of this. So this is basically the receiver, and you can put it in your shirt, t-shirts, okay. And if you don't want to show it to anyone, you can put it inside your shirt or t-shirt, and you can use this magnet, you know, to stick it with this, okay, just like this, okay. So I'll be showing you all of the functions, okay. It is having almost 15 hours of timing to record the video, okay. And there is one internal memory, so that is very much useful. So let me put it inside. The same here is also, you will get one magnet, okay. And yes, so you can see this is a port, okay, where if you store the data, because there is internal memory, so if you store the data inside, you can also use this cable to transfer the audio from here in your local drive, okay. So basically you will be having two transmitter and one receiver and one charging case. So altogether you can charge at the same point of time. And one more thing, in the receiver, it is totally touch screen, so you can change the date, language, and so many things, okay. So more you use, more you can see the option, more you get into it. So my friends, just try out. I'm just trying to show you as much as I can from this video. So when you open the box, you can see a couple of things inside the box. So first of all, you will get one DJI pouch where you can put this mic inside this. So you will get this cable. This is the charging cable, okay. This is windscreen, okay. And you will get camera audio cable also with that. And inside this box you will get two transmitter and one receiver, okay. So along with two transmitter and receiver, you will also get the phone adapter. So suppose if you have Android, you can use this one, Android C-type cable, okay, you can use this one. And if you have iPhone, you can use this. You will get this is hot shoe adapter, okay. And one more thing, my friend, you can get magnet with the transmitter also. So this is very powerful magnet. So this is the magnet, you can use it in your shirt or t-shirts, okay. So there are couple of things that you will get inside the box. You can use phone adapter. So if you have iPhone, you can use this, but if you have Android C-type adapter, so you can use this. So you have both the option. So let me show you for the iPhone. So you have to, first of all, you have to attach it with this receiver. So there is a sign, this is the arrow sign, right? So, and this is the arrow sign. So you just make it aligned here and then push. Yeah, so now it's fine. And once it is unlocked now. So now after this is your phone. You can just like this, okay. And this is your transmitter, okay. So how you can use it? you just need to press this record button here. So once you press it, you can see there is a red light which will start blinking, see, and there is a vibration also. So now your voice is recorded. So as you can see here, see, it is started recording. Okay, and the receiver is very close to my mouth. So when I am speaking, you can see the green color is increases, right? So this is the way you can record your video. And one more thing, my friend, so you will be having 8 GB of memory, and you can easily extract the memory. Okay, so for that there is a cable, you can extract the memory and you can keep it in your computer. So my friends, if you want to use DJI MIC in your DSLR camera, there is also a facility you can use it. Okay, so for that just need to take your DJI receiver and you have to use this plug. So my friends, if you are like to use DJI mic with your DSLR, okay, so I have my Sony DSLR. Okay, so you have to attach it over here. So let me open the receiver. Okay, so here you can see there is one hot shoe adapter, so you need to attach it with this, and after that you need to keep your receiver on your camera. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how you can do it. It's very easy. So you have to open your adapter like this. Okay, and then you just need to keep it in this way, just in this way, and you need to push it little bit. Okay, yeah, so now it is fixed. So this is fine, right? So once you make in this way, you just need to, yeah, so I have just done the screen lock. So now you need to attach it on your camera. Just the, say, look at this. Yeah, you need to push it a little bit. So now you can see it is attached. Okay, so if you will be talking, it will be coming here. So now it's unlocked. So suppose I am taking one transmitter, so I am just switch on the transmitter. Okay, my transmitter is switch on. So when I am talking, now it starts recording. Okay, so it's having 8 GB of memory. So once you load your audio, you can take your audio file from here. Okay, so you have this C-type port, you can transfer it from your DJI mic to your computer. So it is very easy, you can easily use it. So my friends, now I'm gonna show you how you can attach it with your t-shirt or shirt. So yes, and so this is my transmitter. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how you can attach it. So this is my transmitter. There is also one magnet. You just take this magnet out of it. Okay, and you can easily use it. Either you can use this clip, so just like this you can use it. Okay, it's very easy to use. You can use it in this way, or else if you don't want to show it to anyone, there is one trick, and that's why this magnet is also provided. You can keep your magnet here and you just do like this. It's very simple. It is inside of my shirt, so yes, you can use this one. So my friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. this is a product review video of DJI mic, and of course the audio, I will be showing you the audio how it's feel. Okay, so I'll be showing you the audio. Okay, so my friends, if you like this product review video, make a big thumbs up. And yes, as I told you, if you are travel freak, if you'd like to travel the whole world, of course this is one of the essential things, because your audio should be clear, and wherever you go, okay, the audio should be captured in the transmitter. So that's why I'm using this DJI product. Yes, use this product and let me know how does it feel. So my friends, now I have attached my transmitter and also the receiver through DSLR. So I'm gonna test how it is working if you're attaching it to the DSLR. So yesterday I have done with my mobile phone. So in mobile phone it works, it was working fine, but right now I am gonna test by my DSLR. So what I'm trying to do now, I am just increasing the distance from my DSLR to this transmitter, and I would like to see how it is performing. So you can see now I am making the distance from my DSLR and the transmitter. So let's see how it is working. So see, I am almost 50 meters away. Yeah, so what I am trying to do it, I am on the rooftop of my flat, and where I am getting some good space to test my newly purchased DJI MIC. So right now I am almost the extreme point of my flat, and I'm gonna record this audio whatever I am doing. So my friends, yes, if you like this video, make a big thumbs up, and if you're new to this channel, yes, subscribe it to know different types of product, the traveling gadgets, and yes, travel the world, travel with Neel. See you, bye bye, peace.